Good morning. Today will be an interesting day. We will be going on a road trip from Stuttgart, my hometown, to Berlin, and we have a commercial shooting there. I am actually not sure if I can take you inside or if I can snap some shots in there because this is highly official and there are a lot of promi/seller people there. So I don't know if this is actually allowed. I will have to check it out and probably I'll sneak in some shots, but if not, I have my Rollei camera with me and it's a small action cam and we will make a test of this. So this could potentially be a small action cam Rollei review. So without further ado, I'll pack you in and then we'll go on a road trip through Berlin. My colleague will catch me in a few minutes, so let's go. Good morning! Looks nice. Small little fire in the background, that's always nice to have. But we don't have time for anything slacking, looking around. We got our first things in half an hour, so we need to hurry up and actually go there. So without further ado, let's go to the next thing. And guess what? We've actually arrived at the Berlinale Medienboard party. Everything looks fantastically awesome and really big. And the problem is, I think I am not able to record inside because there are a lot of promi and a lot of seller people there, and I'm pretty sure they don't want to see their faces on the camera. So I'm going to actually try to sneak some shots in, but I'm not going to do a lot of stuff. So we'll see us in. I'm actually not at home right now, as you might have seen. I am in Berlin on a company shooting and I brought a lot of toys with me, the camera, a lot of more cameras. But I also brought this small action cam GoPro-like thing from Rollei. It's called the Actioncam 560 Touch. It can shoot up to 4K 60. It is not waterproof, but you have a case with it. But you can actually do a lot of cool shots with the small action cam that I will try out in different situations, different shots from very abstruse angles. So without further ado, let's go and actually have some fun with the Rollei 560 and the placements. Welcome back to the review of the Rollei 560 Touch. Let's get into some details. 160 degrees super wide angle lens, touch display, integrated Wi-Fi. This has an integrated electronic image stabilization with 6-axis correction, which is quite good, but not as good as the Osmo or the newest GoPros, but still really good for such a cheap camera. It only costs 99 euros, which is pretty cheap for a 4K 60 camera. You can shoot full HD videos up to 120 frames per second, and it has a lot of stuff included in its package. Stuff like that, which is quite a lot of stuff. We have an underwater case, we have a thing to lock something in, we have something for your helmet, we have another thing for your helmet which is a bit rounded, and we have a watch that you can actually put into your arms that is connected via Bluetooth, and you can start recording videos and photos with it. Also, deactivate the camera itself. Okay, I guess this is something you use when you have mounted the camera to a weird position where you cannot get to it in a fast way, so that is actually a pretty good idea, but you could have also just made a really functional app, but the app itself is, as always, shit. It can record up to 95 minutes, which is actually pretty good without Wi-Fi for an action cam, and it has also 3 different color filters included, like this one that you can actually use in different situations. Put it into the case, and then after that you just clip on that filter and you get a different color result from it. Pretty good. I only tried the ND filter version, the neutral gray, and that was actually quite okay. I'm not the guy who actually regularly goes swimming on the cutest, most beautiful beaches in the world, so I guess I'm not going to test out those kinds of things. So, is this as good as a GoPro or the DJI Osmo? Absolutely not. This is not comparable. At least from a video quality standpoint, it's okay. It is pretty good. It is much better than the cheaper GoPro clones that I've tested. But this cannot compare to any of those 2 cameras. But I think you shouldn't actually compare it to those other 2 cameras, because this thing costs 99 euros. 99 euros compared to 450 for the Hero 8 Black. That's quite a difference, and there's not much room, maybe 20% or something, that this one is worse. Worse is the wrong word, but the quality is a bit wackier. It is not waterproof from the get-go and stuff, but it is really good for the price. For a cheaper alternative, then go for a Rollei action cam. Maybe even not this one, but the next generation, which seems to be improved even more. I haven't gotten my hands on it yet, but I would love to. And this one is actually a great, cheap alternative to the main competitors in its field, the, as said before, GoPro Hero 8 and the DJI Osmo. So without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and tell me, are you interested in a GoPro alternative? Then are you actually considering this one, or why did you click on the video? And thank you very much for watching. My name was Leech. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Write me something in the comment. That would be in the comment with an S. That would be really much appreciated. And we'll see us in the next video. I'm off writing next script. Now I head bombed my microphone. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.